I believe this is sufficiently thick. Let me bring it under there, and we need it held in position, so that's why I am planning to tape it down such that it exerts a pressing force on our connector when the screen is pressed down. Alright, now let's bring the front, align it well like that, and then also at the back right there, well aligned. And we now bring threads to do a thread therapy, but before, let me hit the power button to light up the screen. Okay, right now I'm going to have to force shut it down because it was on by the time I was pressing the screen. So I'm going to hold the volume up and power button to force it to restart. I'm hoping that's the right thing to do. No, I'm told it is volume down, power up. Okay, and then there it lights up, so we can now comfortably tie it together. All right, we are here actually refurbishing the J7 Pro, if you're wondering what we are up to. And that's because we want to save the landfills and also help this guy have a cheap solution. Instead of him having to buy a new phone, having lost the one he was using, he can just restore this that he had stashed away. All right, and just like that, we are going to do our usual thread therapy. This is to tie it and keep it clamped down. I am lucky I got a good quality screen replacement, also AMOLED, just like its original one. And yep, so far it's going on well. I think let me pause here and test for you the touch. Okay, the swipe up to unlock. I don't have the pattern, so I am going to opt for the keypad for emergency calls. And yeah, so both the display and the touch work. Hit the subscribe button and share. Here with us is the J7 Pro restored to perfect working condition. See you in the next video. Okay, this is how it's going to look for another 12 hours as the adhesive dries, and then we'll just unwrap that and we have a perfectly functioning J7 Pro without any single issue, both touch and display. See you in the next video. Hit the subscribe button, share, and keep here at Phone Lookout.